Hey guys, we are back with vlog 10. We just had a customer that just called us. She called us a long time ago actually, but she was very busy and she's finally gonna come. She has an iPhone 5s that she wanted for really cheap because she couldn't afford it. She said to pay like a hefty repair fee. So out of the kindness of my heart, I just gave her a break of just $20, and then she was still like kind of busy, so she finally found time today to come, and I found out that I didn't have any more aftermarket screens for the 5S, so I told her that I'll give her aftermarket for $20, but then I realized that I only now carry original Apple screens for the 5S. There's no more aftermarket that is in stock, plus they're not really as quality, so I don't like to just downgrade my service and my quality of service just because of the parts that are just low quality. So I just went straight to the highest quality. So when she comes, I'm gonna surprise her with the highest quality of the 5S. So we'll see how it goes. She's walking here. She says she didn't have a car. So I just want to help out. You know, it's just a good karma to pay it forward to someone that just wants the phone fixed but doesn't have the money. I'm actually losing money on this because I paid $26 for this, and I'm gonna only charge $20 just because I just want to kind of pay it forward and just be nice to people, because it just feels good to be nice without profit, you know, just a selfless act. So you'll see right now when she comes here, we'll keep you in the loop with that, and you'll see the vid and how it goes down. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you for watching, and iPhone 5S will be on its way any minute now. See you then. Okay. Hey guys, this is the 6S space gray. We are hooking up my customer. Start with the R. I mean, it's a name. Do you mind the name? Sure. The Romia. She's awesome, and we're gonna give her a cool screen for almost nothing because she's awesome. That's all. Enjoy the show, guys. Vlog 10. 10 out. Okay. See. You know it's firing up. Fuck. I was just testing the battery and it started running up. Well, it's boiling. Look guys, it's boiling. Crazy. It's crazy. We're boiling. Do you see that what the boiling thing is? Guys, we just tore through this battery and it's still boiling, as you can see. It's like super charged up. Bubbles. Just thought I should just try and see how strong this phone is. I can't believe it didn't catch on fire. I was trying to like be cool about it. She just left, so she's gonna come back right now and say what happened.
Oh my god, what happened?
Just testing your battery to see how bad it was, since you said your battery was acting up, and then it just decided to like smoke out, so I had to put some water on it. But don't worry about it. I'll give you a new battery, so it's all good.
Is it gonna be okay?
It should be. I think so. I mean, it's so crazy though, how it just it's still literally boiling right now. Okay, I'm just gonna put it here. Just knocked out. Hey guys, check out this crazy boiling while I actually. It's crazy how it's like literally boiling. Pretty sick. Okay. In the meantime, I'm gonna go get some napkins, and then cool. So we're just gonna dry it up and then just close it down, and I'm sure it's all gonna work. Okay guys, right now we're gonna go ahead and dry the phone. We just washed it inside because it was a little dirty, so we just said why not just give it a nice wash. And she's cool about it because she knows that she's in good hands, like our state. Are you in good hands?
I'm in good hands.
You see now, after we dry it, it's all gonna work, guys. It's all gray and blue, yellow. Just give it a new battery. Good, okay. Now we can put the cable to the, let's put the new screen on and make sure that it works. After its nice little wash, freshness is in the air. Every level today. It's your lucky day. No, you'll have a phone that works beyond works. There you go, guys. You go from this to getting washed, battery changed, to that. And now we're gonna give her a tempered glass and a case. So we're like, it's pretty cool. So you can see what you got. Yeah, encapsulate it. Here we go. Everything good. Everything great. Thank you guys for watching. This is vlog 10, the RA Gold Phon-Er, and you just saw our iPhone 6s being washed, the screen changed, and the battery changed as well because it's old. So feel free to put the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in vlog 11. Have a good one, guys. Have a good evening. Happy weekend, Friday, and RA is out. Split out. Peace. True cut.